I know I said I was going to do a long format video for this, but I done lost my damn tripod. Anyway, this is the stock one, obviously. Let's do our last cold startup on this one. Well, it ain't really a cold startup. It's 60 degrees out here. All right, so that's factory air box out. I think the next step is I gotta take out this little cover plate down there. So that's that off. It was just 4 10 mils. That's everything else. Next is mounting that guy up. I say to peel off for y'all, but that's the whole thing installed. Oop, still fucking up. And then this is right on top of there. Let's get her bolted down. All right, so figured out that I had this little boot on here backwards. That's why I had two hose clamps. Makes a lot more sense. But we snug, shouldn't vacuum leak now. I didn't really test it before, but we should definitely be good now. Just tighten those things up. All right, there she is, all in together. Start her up. They said you're not gonna hear much of a difference on the first start and whatnot. But they said once you start revving her up, she gets in there and gets crazy. Let's get around to the front real quick. All right, so I got her in, I got her started up. Everything looks good. She definitely sounds a little bit better. I don't know, I gotta get her out on the road. But you can definitely hear that it's sucking more air in through these little holes right here where it's supposed to be. Even though that don't look like it's lined up enough. That ain't going nowhere. She looked good, she in there. Let's see if I can get the sound in there for y'all. All right, so that was the install of this Vaolent cold air intake on my 2011 Yukon.